guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm starting a Diwali playlist on our YouTube channel and videos related to Diwali makeup, Diwali skincare, Diwali special facials, Diwali hair care, Diwali hair oil routine, everything you can find in that playlist. So in this video, I'm going to do a Diwali glow facial. So this is a facial that has just 3 or 4 ingredients that is already present in a home. I know going to the parlor or spa to get a treatment done is like a hectic task. So I thought let's do it at home. Why not doing it at home when we have better ingredients, and these ingredients will not give you any side effects or anything like that. These are very safe and natural ingredients that will not hurt any sensitive skin also. So let's move on to the video. So on the personal note, my sister's wedding is coming up and you could see I'm tanned, oily, and my skin is feeling very tired and dull. It's all because of the bridesmaid shopping and all of that. Continuous shopping made my skin like this. Let's start the facial.
I am taking raw unboiled milk to cleanse my face. Cleansing is the first step to a facial. Dip a cotton into the milk and I am wiping it across my face. Do this for 2 to 3 minutes. You can also use a chilled milk for this if you like. Cleansing removes the dirt and pollutants that is stuck in the skin. Milk is rich in calcium and antioxidants, which will nourish the skin and also keeps it moisturized all day long. It deeply cleans the pores from oil, sebum, dirt and blackheads. After 2 to 3 minutes, wash your face with just normal water. To make the scrub, I am adding 1 teaspoon of coffee powder. This is instant coffee powder. I am adding 1 teaspoon of rose water and binding it well. This is how it looks. The aroma from the coffee powder instantly relaxes the mind. So come, let's apply this onto our face. Apply this mixture and massage in small circular motions for 3 minutes. Scrubbing removes the dead skin and makes the skin very smooth. Scrubbing removes blackheads and whiteheads. So concentrate more on the nose and the chin areas, or the areas that you're more prone to blackheads and whiteheads. Coffee helps to decrease the appearance of sunspots, redness and fine lines. Coffee have both anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Combined with the natural exfoliation of coffee grounds, it fights the acne effectively. You know how coffee wakes up you in the morning? It does the same thing for your skin. When applied topically, the stimulating properties of coffee improves the blood flow, making your skin appear radiant and bright. Do this scrubbing for 3 minutes and then wash your face with normal water. For the chocolate mask, I am using the Hershey's 100% cocoa powder. If you don't have this, you can use a melted dairy milk chocolate or any other milk chocolate that is available. Make sure that the dairy milk or the milk chocolate is plain and has no nuts or any flavors added to it. I added 1 teaspoon of the cocoa powder and 1 teaspoon of honey. For the melted chocolate, it would be the same measurement. Mix it well until the ingredients are combined. Chocolate is high in antioxidant. It protects the skin from UV damage, provides nourishment, detoxifies the skin and promotes glow. Honey is naturally antibacterial, so it's great for acne treatment and prevention. Since honey is full of antioxidant, it is great for slowing down aging. It is extremely moisturizing and soothing, so it helps to create a glow. Wait for 20 minutes. After that, wash your face with normal regular water. Do not use a soap when you wash this face pack off. Wash your face with just water. You could visibly see my tan has reduced. My skin feels very soft, smooth and fresh. It feels very smooth. You could do this facial once in a week. It is all natural, so you don't have to worry about any side effects or anything like that. It's all natural and very effective. I will also do a lot of Diwali facials, globe facials, Diwali skincare and hair care routines, so stay tuned. Until then, I will see you in my next video. This is me, Deepthi, signing off. Bye-bye. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe. Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.